let's get started with writing our program. It needs to be called gematria.py. I'm going to start off by using new py to create this program for me, and then I'm going to open it. Let's see, there it is. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to go back and rerun this with the purpose of encode words as numbers so that I don't have to do that. I'm going to say force to override it, and now we see that the purpose has been overwritten there, which is nice. It's going to take some sort of a text. I don't know if that's going to be an input file, input text, or file. I'll figure that out here in getargs as I've done before. I'm going to get rid of all of these other options. Don't need those for this program. I'm going to just go ahead and get the program working so that it will take input from a text or file using a pattern that we've used several times before. I'm going to put return args so I don't forget that. Always very important. First person who taught me to write code always had me to write end if and then end if immediately, so I wouldn't forget to have that. That was back when I was learning Visual Basic. So I'm going to say if os path is file on the args.text. So if it's true that that's a text file, that is the name of file, I'm going to open it, open args.text. I'm going to read it, and I'm going to strip off any white space on the right hand side. So rstrip. I always like to just start off by printing args.text. I'm just going to make sure, for instance, go away. I'm going to run gematria. I'm going to say foobar. Make sure that, oh, okay, I need to import OS. Let's fix that. Import OS. Alright, so foobar, and if I also give it the input fox.text, it's going to work. So the next thing that we're going to need to do is to split our text into words, something that we've done many times. We could use, for instance, string.split method that's going to break it in on the white space into a list of words, and then we're going to need to remove the punctuation. That's one of the first things we're going to need to do. So we're going to talk about that next.